So here we'll get the singular points to be theta equal to 0 and 2 pi. Now since theta equal to 0 is same as theta equal to 2 pi, we can conclude that there is only one singular point, which is theta equal to 0. Now let us look at the expression for the arc length of polar curves. So we have seen the expression for arc length of parametric curves. So let us look at what is the integral representing the arc length of polar curves. So if no segment of the polar curve r equal to f of theta is traced more than once, as theta increases from alpha to beta, and if dr by d theta is continuous for alpha less than or equal to theta less than or equal to beta, then the arc length L from theta equal to alpha to theta equal to beta is given by, so the expression for arc length is L equal to integral alpha to beta, so we will get root of r square plus dr by d theta whole square d theta. So this is the expression for the arc length of a polar curve, provided dr by d theta must be continuous, and the curve must be traced exactly once in the interval alpha to beta. Curve retrace ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ല. So the curve must not be traced more than once in the increasing interval alpha to beta. So let us look at an example on finding the arc length. So find the arc length of spiral r equal to e raised to theta between theta equal to 0 and theta equal to pi. So we have r equal to e raised to theta. Again dr by d theta is also e raised to theta. So L will be integral 0 to pi root of r square plus dr by d theta whole square d theta varum. So that is integral 0 to pi root of e raised to 2 theta plus again e raised to 2 theta varum d theta. So that is integral 0 to pi root 2 e raised to theta d theta varum. So that is root 2 e raised to theta from 0 to pi. So that is root 2 e raised to pi minus 1. So that is the required arc length. Next, let us look at another example. So find the total arc length of the cardioid r equal to 1 plus cos theta. Quickly look at the shape of the cardioid. So when theta is equal to 0, r will be equal to 2, and when theta is equal to pi by 4, we'll be getting 1 plus 1 by root 2, any pi by 3 വരുമ്പോൾ 3 by 2 വരും, and that pi by 2 will be 0, and pi എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ sorry, at pi by 2 it will be 1, and at pi it will be 0. Now when you replace theta by minus theta, there is no change in the value of r, so it will be symmetric about the x-axis. So that is, look at what is going to be the shape of the curve. So when theta is 0, the value is 2. And pi by 4 എത്തുമ്പോൾ pi by 4 എത്തുമ്പോൾ value കുറച്ച് ചെറുതാവും. So that will be 1 plus 1 by root 2, and again at pi by 3 the value will be 3 by 2, and at pi by 2 the value is going to be 1, and at pi the value will be equal to 0. Now as we know, here a and b, r is in the form a plus b cos theta. A and b are equal, so the cardioid is going to be heart shaped. So this will be the shape of the cardioid. Let me take this point. Okay, so this will be the shape. So it starts in this direction. Ini symmetric about x-axis ana. So this is going to be the cardioid. So here we have the interval from 0 to pi ആകുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ വരെ കവർ ചെയ്യും, then 0 to pi to 2 pi. So therefore the curve is traced exactly once in interval 0 to 2 pi. So therefore L will be equal to integral 0 to 2 pi root of, so r square is 1 plus cos theta whole square plus dr by d theta will be minus sin theta whole square d theta. So that is integral 0 to 2 pi root of, simplify ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ you will get 2 plus 2 cos theta d theta. So that will be equal to integral 0 to 2 pi root of 2 into 1 plus cos theta will be 2 cos square theta by 2 d theta. So that integral 0 to 2 pi. Now you will get 2 root of cos square theta by 2 d theta. Now when you take the square root of cos square theta by 2, so that can be positive or negative. So we are going to get 2 integral 0 to 2 pi mod cos theta by 2 d theta. ഇനി നമ്മൾ mod cos theta by 2 d theta എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ, so we need to actually split this integral and solve, because there are regions where cos is positive and cos is negative. So this will be equal to, ഇനി നമ്മൾ 0 to pi എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ theta by 2 will be greater than 0 and greater than or equal to 0, and when you take the interval pi to 2 pi cos theta by 2 will be less than or equal to 0. So therefore you can write it as 2 times integral 0 to pi cos theta by 2. ഇപ്പോൾ cos ഇവിടെ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്, അപ്പോൾ cos theta by 2 d theta വരും, then pi to 2 pi minus cos theta by 2 d theta. So let us evaluate the integral. So that will be 2 times sin theta by 2 by 1 by 2 from 0 to pi plus minus sin theta by 2 by 1 by 2 from pi to 2 pi. So that will be equal to, so we will get 1 by 2 പുറത്തെടുക്കുക, so that will be 4 sin pi by 2 വരും, that is 1, then minus sin pi is 0, 0 minus 1, so that will be equal to 4 into 2, which is equal to 8. So therefore the required arc length will be equal to 8. One is to find the arc length of the entire circle r equal to 3a cos theta equal to 3a cos theta. That will be a circle which is centered about the x-axis and y-axis is a tangent to the circle, and this can be written in the form 2 into 3 by 2 a cos theta. So this is having the radius. So we will 2a cos theta in the circle that will be having radius 3 by 2 a. This will be the form of the circle. Now when you have theta equal to 0, so this 3a by 2 ആണ് radius. അപ്പോൾ ഈ distance ആയിരിക്കും നമ്മുടെ diameter. So when theta is equal to 0, you will get the radius value to be 3a, and when you have theta equal to pi by 2. So theta equal to pi by 2 എത്തുമ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ r value 0 ആകും. So the graph goes like this. So at this point, this represents a point theta equal to pi by 2. ഇനി അതുപോലെ വീണ്ടും when theta becomes pi by 2 കഴിഞ്ഞ് നമ്മൾ pi by 2 കഴിഞ്ഞ് നിങ്ങൾ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു വാല്യൂ എടുക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ അത് ഈ ക്വാഡ്രൻറ്റിൽ വരുന്ന വാല്യൂ ആയിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ക്വാഡ്രൻറ്റിൽ വരുമ്പോൾ pi by 2 തുടങ്ങി പൈ വരെ കോസിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ, അതായത് ആർ വാല്യൂ നെഗറ്റീവ് വരും, കാരണം കോസിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണ്. സോ ദാറ്റ് പോയിന്റ്സ് ആർ ഗോയിങ് ടു ബി ഹിയർ ആൻഡ് തീറ്റ ഈക്വൽ ടു പൈ അഗെയിൻ കോസ് വാല്യൂ വിൽ ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു. അപ്പം ഇവിടുത്തെ പോയിന്റ്സ് എല്ലാം ടെർമിനൽ സൈഡിന് ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈഡിലായിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ആയിരിക്കും ട്രേസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ആ പോയിന്റ്സ് ആണ് ഈ കാണുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് അറ്റ് തീറ്റ ഈക്വൽ ടു പൈ the value will be equal to minus 3a. So theta equal to find the value ഇവിടെ ആയിരിക്കും trace ചെയ്യുക. So the curve will be traced exactly once in the interval 0 to pi. So the circle is traced exactly once in closed interval 0 to pi. So therefore, to find the arc length, we need to find the integral in the interval 0 to pi. So we get integral 0 to pi root of r square is 3a cos theta whole square, then r dash will be minus 3a sin theta whole square d theta. So that will be equal to 3a whole square will come out. So we will get square root again 3a varum 0 to pi, and then the square root you will be having root of cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is 1. So that is d. So that will be equal to 3a pi. Now the circumference of the circle will be 2 pi r. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ radius എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 3a by 2 ആണ്. So 2 pi into 3a by 2,